Hi everyone! Today, David and I are going to speak about the steps to take programmatic in-house. Over to you, David.
Hey everyone! Programmatic advertising seems like a complex activity for many marketers. Often because of this, it is avoided to bring or manage this channel in-house. However, mobile developers started to increasingly look for opportunities in their internal media buying strategy. They mainly want to increase the benefits of full control and cost efficiency. Marketing managers face a variety of challenges while considering starting with programmatic advertising. In one of our previous videos, we covered some of them. However, some of these challenges will pay off over time and even convert into solid benefits in the future.
In this video, we will discuss the steps to take on going in-house with programmatic performance advertising. Secondly, we will provide insights on how to plan this process with thought-through decisions. First of all, the changes of the advertising process often demand both team and executive support, platform testing and training additional skill sets to the media buying team. Having a clear plan before starting the transition into programmatic in-house buying is the key to success. To implement the changes with a minimal impact to the overall activities, we suggest starting with a hybrid in-housing model. The idea is not to fully replace the current platforms or agencies managed service at once, but to keep parts of their service at the beginning and slowly move more parts to your internal team. This way, you ensure a smooth transition while maintaining control and minimizing sudden impact on performance.
Let's go through the steps of launching your first programmatic in-house campaigns. First of all, make sure your in-house platform has all the essential functionality that adds value towards your goal. For instance, building retargeting audiences, the ability for A/B testing, receiving raw bid level data that can be leveraged for ROAS forecasting and fraud detection, are examples of features that add value to your learnings and optimization. Secondly, check if the programmatic platform provides full access to the delivery diagnostic tools that are used to understand the bidding and machine learning logic.
By the way, to avoid the risk of programmatic software becoming too complex, work with platforms that offer easy-to-use interfaces with automation of frequently used functionality. This is crucial when scaling with an in-house platform, especially if you have limited campaign management resources or running multiple campaigns globally. While building up your in-housing team, you need to consider which cooperation type works best for you: hybrid, self-served, or a fully managed model. Before starting with programmatic in-housing and hiring new people, assess if there are people in your existing UA team who already have experience with media buying via programmatic or other self-serve platforms. If this person has sufficient media buying knowledge and the onboarding is well structured, you should have no problem in starting with programmatic in-housing. Check if the platform has onboarding or additional fees on top of the tech costs.
Together with your programmatic partner, create a launch strategy based on the earlier shared KPIs. Be ready to share all the relevant data that can help reach your goals faster. Data such as user journey, best performing placements, and top creatives from other channels so far. Also, don't forget to describe your key audience and similar users. It's also important to integrate an in-house platform with your MMP. We recommend sharing unattributed events to your DSP for the creation of dynamic suppression lists. This will also be beneficial when you activate retargeting campaigns. A third benefit of sharing your unattributed events is that this will reduce the learning curve for the machine learning algorithms, something we, for instance, do at Hype. Finally, also ensure that the data processing agreement is in place and covers all the ways of data usage and complies with your internal data processing guidelines.
Then, map out your main campaign goals, such as ROAS or their X retention numbers. Avoid the drawback of demanding high performance at the very beginning. Set realistic expectations for every milestone. For example, define the CPI goal and conversion rates for the meaningful in-app events. Together with the in-house platform, calculate the exploration budget for each milestone, such as optimization towards installs, registrations, and action costs. Also define your target scale after achieving the CPA and conversion rates. After you have defined your campaign goals, it's time to set up your first campaigns. A good programmatic partner will handhold you along the initial campaign setup and optimizations, but keep in mind that the machine learning algorithms need some time to collect a training sample before you start seeing performance. We recommend not doing any major adjustments of your campaigns on a daily basis. Once the initial setup training sample is collected, the algorithms will kick in to reach your KPIs. After campaigns have collected enough data, you can optimize manually to maximize performance towards your KPIs.
Finally, after you successfully launched your first campaigns, we highly recommend leveraging the data available from programmatic campaigns. Assessing loss notifications, reviewing the best performing creatives, mapping out your audience types, and seeing which placements have maximum performance are just a few examples. Having all this data in-house, you can further optimize your campaigns, even in other UA or marketing channels. We therefore recommend having the product and creative team closely involved with the learnings from the programmatic activities. When shared across the whole marketing team, the data truly comes to life and is most beneficial. Sharing these results between the different marketing channels is crucial for the overall success of the marketing department and, in the end, your company's success.
We strongly believe that having a clear plan and how to bring programmatic in-house, focus, and the right programmatic partner will help you achieve better performance, benefit from transparency and insights, and in the end, further grow your marketing results. Thank you and stay tuned. Bye.